you've seen the intro, then that's what we'll be unboxing and we'll be installing in this new episode of the DDD Summer House stories. I'm not gonna keep you waiting. We'll start unboxing right away. And as always, I'll be using this one. I love opening packages. This house is an off-grid house. All lights are powered by solar. The lights around the house are very bright. That's 40 watts per side. They're on until 12 midnight. I would like to shorten the time that they're on. If I come here and I check around the area at around like 9 p.m. It's only this house that's very bright during that time still. This has a sensor. This last one, biggest one, hopefully there's enough sunlight today. Two in each box.
Alright, so we'll be putting the sticks and the solar lights to see how they will look like.
Lights are installed. Solar lamps. There. I think this would be fine now. However, I'm still thinking of adding additional maybe 12. So this is now how it looks like at night. Very nice, very happy with the result. Very happy with how they look like. Although they're very small, they're very bright. So the review was really helpful in getting these ones, so very happy. I'll be adding maybe 12, lining them up here to here, and then also around the fence area. I'm not sure if you can see the fence area anymore. It's very dark already. So right, so I guess it's time to get working again. So I've already prepared the ladder. What we're going to install is the solar lamp, the split type solar lamp that we purchased. So it will be positioned there, just right there in the middle. This morning I've already marked it there. solar lamp is already installed.
This is the split type. It has a sensor. We'll be testing the sensor later. Okay, so we are now going to test the split type solar lamp with sensor. We just installed it earlier, so it's already night time. We'll try to see if the sensor works. I'm gonna go there and check on it. Sensor works really well. Very good. Alright, I guess that's it for today.